Hi,
Is anyone
I'm Gary. Don't mind the background noise out. And I'm making this video because I'm saying I really want stick.
Where's any update? Where's any update?
I just really want it, okay? And I will probably make a lot of videos in this. So I know. If it's just, I don't want stick, you know, but I'll can I have the content creator badge?
No, you can't.
Oh, are you disabled? God, sorry about that. I'm trying to make this video funny. Cause you gave Jim and Curly it. He does not make any videos in this game whatsoever.
People is not funny, bro. I don't know what one you have, but
Shut your hoggy ass up!
what are you yapping about? Are you trying to tell me show? I'm funny.
I'm gonna scare this kid. 'Cause it looks like, yeah.
No, you're not.
Hey, where are you? Hey, where are you?
I'm right here, Donnie. I'm right here. Please. Oh, that scares me so much. That scares me so much. You know what? You know what? Probably will scare you, bro. You know what will scare you, bro? Hello.
Bro, I saw the marshmallow. No, it was the marshmallow.
Oh my. What's the pool? Everyone go to pool. What?
Bro, I saw it was the marshmallow.
Guys, got a monkey crab. Okay.
No, not like the monkey
That's
crab.
a good cosmetic. Fuck you.
Oh, that's kidding. I'm not moderator. It was just a marshmallow. It's not. I'm not moderator. I'm trying to troll.
I'm saying, please give me stick.
What the heck?
And I'll see you on the next one.
Guys, I can
Good.